Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to teach you unit 2.6 and that is poetry Rain. It is actually written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai and it has been translated by Mrs. Elsa Kazi. Before explaining you the poem, I must describe you some of the features of Elsa Kazi who has translated the poem Rain. Elsa Kazi was born in 1884 and died in 1967. She is commonly known as Mother Elsa. She is in actual a German writer of one-act plays, short stories, novels, and history, and a poetess. She did great work for Sindhi language and translated most of the Shah Latif's poetries. She was a composer and a musician as well. She was also an artist. She has translated Shah Latif's poetries in English. Rain is also Shah Latif's poetry, which she has translated into English. And now the poem Rain. The rain pours on the desert sands, on hills and vales around. At early dawn we rise to hear the churn soft humming sound. In this stanza, the poet is describing the scene of Thar Desert that is in Sindh. And we know that Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai wrote mostly about his land, Sindh. He says that when it rains in the desert, on hills and valleys, people cheerfully get up early in the morning to enjoy the sound of butter extracting machine. Churn is in fact a machine that extract butter. Okay, so to listen the sound, to enjoy the sound of butter extracting machine, which is quite soft and continuous. The hands are full of butter, wives with merriment abound. Each buffalo for milking brought athwart the grassy ground. In thatches here we never found mistress and mine so glad. In this stanza, the poet is saying that wives, here wives means household ladies. The household ladies' hands are filled with butter, with pleasure because of rain. Means they have much excitement time because of rain, and in that excitement they don't feel like bother to fill their hands with butter to do household work. And also buffaloes are brought to milk, and life sparkle with joy in the herds and make the ladies cheerful. Seasons orchestras in full swing. Fresh showers ease the mind. On mountain sides so green with grass, cattle abundance find. Gay herdsmen wives about their necks, of blossom garlands wind. In this stanza, the poet is saying that the local singers in the rain bring all their musical instruments in action as the raindrops refresh their mind and grass grow in abundance, which becomes a great source of food for the cattle. As the cattle get their food, that makes the shepherd's wife feel happiness as they have flower wreath around their neck. Cucumber, mushrooms, vegetables, food of every kind. Lord, days of dearth let lie behind, never let them reach the earth. And when it rains, every kind of food grow. So the poet is so the poet is praying to God that may the days of scarcity, may the days of sadness, may the days of worries never fall onto the earth.